We are now just 2 days away from the beginning of a history-making criminal case in Fulton County. Two of former President Donald Trump's 18 co-defendants will be in court on Friday. Jury selection will start in the criminal trial. They're accused of taking part in a criminal conspiracy to try to overturn the 2020 election. 11 Live's Jerry Carnes has been following the case, joining us now in studio. So Jerry, Sidney Powell, Kenneth Chesebro making a last-minute attempt now to try to have the cases against them dismissed.
They did. Sidney Powell and Kenneth Chesebro will be tried separately from the other defendants. They ask for a speedy trial while Donald Trump and others want more time to prepare. Powell and Chesebro asked Judge Scott McAfee to dismiss the cases against them, but the judge ruled their trial will go on. It begins with two. On Friday, 450 people will be called to a Fulton County courtroom, all of them potential jurors in a history-making case. On trial, lawyers Kenneth Chesebro and Sidney Powell, two of the people charged along with former President Donald Trump of taking part in a criminal conspiracy to overturn the 2020 election. Just days before the start of jury selection, Judge Scott McAfee ruled that Chesebro and Powell failed to prove a defect in their criminal indictments and denied their attempts to have the cases against them dismissed. Chesebro is accused of taking part in the so-called fake elector scheme, where 16 people signed documents at the Georgia state capitol falsely claiming that Donald Trump won the vote in Georgia and that they should represent the state at the Electoral College. Powell is accused of taking part in a data breach at the Coffee County election office while working on behalf of former President Trump. Powell and Chesebro denied that they were part of a conspiracy and in court filings told Judge McAfee that the charges against them should be dismissed in part because their actions on behalf of Donald Trump were not for personal gain. Potential jurors will complete questionnaires on Friday. Lawyers will begin the process of questioning and selecting 12 jurors next Monday. And if lawyers can't select 12 suitable jurors out of the initial group of 450, another 450 people will be called in next Friday. Judge McAfee says his goal is to have a jury sworn in before November 3rd.
All right, pretty fast deadline. All right, thanks a lot.